Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates Mendipathar Facilitation Centre. Kasur Kinong Maulai burns effigies of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, ministers and top police personnel to protest the state government's inability to suspend police personnel involved killing of surrendered HNLC, and Congress expresses concern over peace and security of the people residing in the border areas. And now the news in detail. The long-awaited Mendipathar Facilitation Centre at Mendipathar Railway Station in North Garo Hills was inaugurated by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister said that the facilitation centre will keep record of visitors to the region. He said that the facilitation centre will enable the district administration to effectively monitor flow of the visitors from outside the region. He also said that the railway head in Mendipathar is a boon for the people of the region, as this will continue to facilitate movement of people from the region to the adjoining state of Assam. The Chief Minister said the railway has helped people from North Garo Hills to use the railway to reach Guwahati. He said that since the railway head was there in Mendipathar, the state government is setting up the 100 crore food park in Mendipathar. He further said that the biggest feed mill of Northeast is being set up at Mendipathar because it has the railway head. He further said that Mendipathar has become the preferred destination for investment because it has all the necessary infrastructure and the facilities, particularly.
tourism naba yan gamsat bege bama lamang naba baje bia bang chiode mai da kaba cholang ho gen ar mai da kaba nyen kani nyani khushongani roman gen ya gamako ya facilitation center ro lamang naba guide rangko lamang naba aganani rangko lamang nai paisang ko ba konamana uni gaman gamak ni nal jokanina ya namen gamsat kaba facilitation center entry exit point ma Riang pel meting somayo ba mai da kaba mandarang ancinga songoneri bai riang pel hacham wa ko ban sing record kana mana haidara marango mai ba ke accidental amang sinabo na nangin sumo ba ancinga songona sandia ton na songni wara chi angon mai ongahani sandia ton anjing ya record ang honi ba ya chingni Meghalaya songoni de ba Mendipathar ni exit ko non de endita somayon riang ha ini wa Asal pa mai ba asal lo unging pa mandirang ni family rang na ba sorkari information ko ni daksakan ko ba o naman gen again aro ji mandirang na dalu yang mil rang ko aro plant ko harina muksunge chim madapna muksunge chim isong ba railway head ba railway station lo wali gaman isong ba Mendi area kon na meeting ule gaman pena dalu Pia sangma sagi je ko muksunge Kaji ko champion, achniya area na Mendi area na railway station ko abek na hati. Yani bikin aku achi dak lo mak ni ha. Tentang development aku achi mak baik tu. Aro Mendian preferred investment destination ni ha. Bangkata project aku Mendi area India sorkari ba, aro private sector ba dakna buksongi ha.
The residents of Maulai under the banner Kasur Kinong Maulai today burned the effigies of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, and 3 top police personnel of Meghalaya as a mark of protest to the state government's inability to suspend all those police personnel who were involved in the killing of surrendered HNLC Thank You on the 13th of this month. The burning of effigies was held at Maulai Petrol Pump Junction amidst shouting of slogans, "Long live Bache, we demand for our rights and we demand justice." Kasur Kinong Maulai during the meeting with Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma at the main secretariat in Shillong demanded that all those involved in the killing of Thank You should be suspended within 1 week. While Conrad K. Sangma stuck to his point that the magisterial inquiry set up by the state government should be allowed to probe all the aspects that led to the unfortunate Maulai incident and to submit its report to the state government within 3 months. The peaceful burning of effigies passed off peacefully when the demand to accord punishment to the police personnel ended yesterday.
Nagbenta ka daw ba jong kajay benriyo hoy kat balangan ngan lengkon nga ai ka jing kublay ya ki pai ba nong snong ta ka snong Maulai ki baladan rengkat akan ka por ka pemerintah bat kemjuru gitu ki pasusong na yeng ki pai lamba ki WhatsApp video call ka jongki kublay sibon ya ka jing sim benta ka jongpi bat nginama ban klat ba dei ublay balam lenti bangidan lang hakani ka por ka pamenta ngisongo yo play na ka menta kini ke baro ka jingskan jeng kari jaga jai benri ko jengi de stang da ka jengi teli kari khasi menta kala yo ya ka jingkarsan na baro ki penta ba pher hakani ka pri hunyo trap namar dan kasur kinong mulai nakai kadaw kadaw ba kadai na kasur haya ka ba ka jingsa penyap club yang iba cheres thank you hadiah nukyang dong ba hadiah turat sing hadiah nupayang wiklop siem mi iba cheres kini kadai kasur kapan penreham ya kajai benriu kapan ai mensiem ya kabri nyau trabaro kawai bangin nyolong kawai sebun ki ya lentia kini kejingya tak hadu pangan poya kini kelebat ke pementa henry ngim so pher nomar ngide ki briu ki bala perkhat jingai ngile i jingai ngim dan kamthan ban yakaran bungtien ban no kimle le ki kejingya lenti henry ngong kadai ke blessing klem kijing kento klem kijing sak keno klem sibun kijing duna ngin nomla penbai yala kajong kijing em kongki brio hala kajong kijing em kajong pi denam dena banai ben siam ya pi ki pai ba jong kisong maulai banai ben siam ya kajai brio hi borok we ngong biang sisien dai stang ya kijing ya teli ki yo men siam ki pai ba pher meneng ada wan nak lentik ke penjai ba ngapoi hati ngapo berni ni songkai ngidi sya bagi perlok ki beren seketu kethan kiang ba nomor tang sumar ya herde kilaya itu ya kedor khmat ma kiang ba ngisung kuman ngisung sngai pelat bakadan kesnong molai ngiru sekani kethan kejungi setamri bhoi ngiru ngilong lang kumta ngin hapan dan ya mesti mesti anda hapa kala trai kethan ngapoi sa hang ne hapa mesti ringkat bagi perlok luk liak nomor ka heyo bha mane hapo msting ngan itu ipi ki brio ki bangisong menidi bai bane wam jalang hang tu ki yo mensiem bang ki i bagi dan ki perlok maulai ki wan disa kesnong kejong ki niru ki kan kejo kesur ki ong ba ni sorong ba kadang dan kesnong maulai ba kalong ka jin snanya kari bagi jai brio.
We'll take a short break for important announcement. The Don Bosco Media Network is happy to announce that from next week we will be broadcasting our news and other programs from local cable channel Lelanki Cable Operator. The Congress MLAs today in a meeting discussed many issues related to the peace and security of the people in the border areas. Leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, informed that they are ready to support the MLAs in the ruling party if they want to vote for no confidence motion in the autumn assembly that will be held soon.
You have asked me the same question in last press briefing. Now, interestingly, I'll tell you one interesting input that I received and then which we were discussing amongst ourselves is that this time I think people of the state, that is what the people of the state are telling me, not my colleagues, but then people of the state are telling us, okay, that this time members who are in the government, they should table no confidence motions against the government. And if anybody tables, we'll be there. Yes. No, I am being told by people, we were told by people of the state that it should be the members who are in the government, who are in the ruling dispensation, who should table no confidence motions against the government. And that is the input that has been shared with us. They are telling us, they are telling them also, I am told. Now whether they agree or not is up to them. But if they table, then we are there. Because what did we say in the last assembly? You all asked, what is the solution to those all alleged irregularities and instances of corruption which is going on with complete impunity and lack of response, and to deal with any instances of allegation when brought before the government, the constant denial mode on those instances of allegations, prompt denial. So you have asked, we say that, I don't know, I don't find any solution until and unless somebody else is asked to probably be serious about taking cognizance of those issues and looking at correcting them.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.